10 years into my hairstyling career, I was burnt out and felt like a complete fraud. I was watching stylists with far less experience fly past me, booking dream clients and charging rates I didn't even think were possible. I had the skills and the passion, but I was stuck, underpaid, and competing with stylists fresh out of beauty school. After hitting rock bottom, I finally figured it out. I'm sharing the exact steps I took to double my income and earn the respect I deserved. Roll the intro. Intro. For a decade, I thought success meant being everything to everyone. I said yes to every service, client, and trend. The result? I became a commodity. My schedule was full, but my bank account was empty. I was constantly defending my prices against a budget salon down the street. Sound familiar? The problem wasn't my talent, it was my lack of a brand. In a crowded market, being a generalist made me invisible. My light bulb moment came during a slow week. Scrolling through Instagram, I noticed all the stylists had one thing in common: a specific, powerful brand. They weren't just hairdressers, they were specialists, seen as authorities. That's when it hit me. I had to stop being a generalist and start being a specialist. I made three big shifts that changed everything, and they'll work for you too. The first and most important step: niche down. Seriously. When you market to everyone, you reach no one. Think about what you truly love to do and what you're amazing at. Are you a wizard with vivids, a master of the precision bob, an artist with balayage? That's your niche. You start attracting clients whose needs aren't met by generic salons. For me, I became the go to expert for hair health. Instead of a standard cut, I bundled in premium treatments like Olaplex or K18. This turned a regular appointment into a hair health restoration session and immediately let me charge more because I was solving a specific high value problem. Next, your personal appearance is your number one marketing tool. You are your brand, and your look is your logo. As I mentioned in my last video, you need a signature style that makes you instantly recognizable. Your color palette, your haircut, your entire vibe. Consistency builds trust and makes you memorable. A good rule of thumb is for every 6 to 9 client photos you post, one should be a great picture of you. When people compliment your hair on the street, that's your chance. Be ready with a professional business card that has a QR code linking straight to your booking site. It makes it seamless for a potential client to book you on the spot. Finally, you have to mix old school networking with a smart social media game. Word of mouth is still king, but in 2026, you must boost it digitally. Hand out those business cards at local farmers markets, coffee shops, and community events. Building real relationships gets your name out there. You can also reward current clients for sharing your page or bringing in friends, but you have to combine that with solid social media. Post consistently at least 3 5 times a week. Schedule it like a client appointment. Your bio is your new storefront. It must say exactly what you do and where, like balayage specialist in San Diego, to show up in local searches. And don't just post ads, share a mix of content. Ask engaging questions, show behind the scenes fun, and offer free tips that prove you're the expert. Making these three shifts changed my entire career. I went from drained and unappreciated to being a sought after expert in my city. Hey, so I just checked and you're not subscribed to me yet. So go ahead and do that. Then go and follow me on everything at Brittany's Bubble and check out my Substack. All the links are in my bio, so there's no excuse. Oh, and if you like my shirt,
check out britsocreative.com. All right, let's get back to the episode.
My income doubled, but more importantly, I started attracting clients who valued my skills, trusted my ideas, and happily paid for a premium experience. I finally got the creative freedom and financial stability I'd worked so hard for. So let's recap. One, niche down and become a specialist. Two, become a walking billboard for your brand. Three, be a modern networker by mixing real world connections with a consistent digital presence. You don't have to wait 10 years to build your dream career. Your experience is valuable, but how you brand it is what will set you apart. If this was helpful, subscribe for more guides on building a killer career in hair. And let me know in the comments which of these steps will you start working on today. And until next time, bye.